Hello everyone, today we will show you another model smart video doorbell in Unicon Vision. Open the package, you will see the user menu. Video doorbell. We have two color options, one for black, one for white. Screwdriver. Accessory package. Open it, you will see indoor chime. We use different power plug for different country using. USB power cable and installation screws. Let's set up the Wi-Fi configuration of the doorbell. First of all, download Tosee app. Power the doorbell, and you will see the red light flashing. Enter the configuration. Choose the doorbell Wi-Fi name Tosee. After connected, back to the app. Click Next. Choose your local Wi-Fi network. Input the password. Set up the doorbell password with 8 letters. Click Next and name the device as you like. Here you will see network connecting. Enjoy the high-definition 1080p video quality. How to configure the Chime with Tosee doorbell. First of all, you can hear the default ringtone as below. Here you can click the short button to adjust the volume. You can also click the long button to choose which ringtone you prefer. We have 36 kinds of ringtones for your options. Long press the short button to confirm which ringtone you like. Press the doorbell to see have you set the ringtone successfully. Have a try and hope you enjoy.